Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a descending triangle, the price of Filecoin broke out a very long-term resistance that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5. And now it was retesting the previous resistance zone as a support zone. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, this is the weekly. Let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that this was the descending triangle that we broke out. And after the breakout, we had a nice rally, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $8.12. And now we are testing this support zone. That starts from $5 and goes to $4.60. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been previously breaking as a resistance zone here, support here, resistance, support, and for several weeks or months, it has been working as there is support down here as well. And now, again, we are testing the support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from the smaller down channel and from this very, very huge falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for NEIRO, just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 25th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this descending triangle. By the way, we found the support and resistance of the triangle when it was moving inside this previous down channel. We found the support here on 5th of July 2024, and we found the resistance here in the month of on 17th of July of 2024. The support was, by the way, found here on 5th of July. And after almost 12 days, we found the resistance here. And the pricing got rejected, bounce, rejected, bounce, rejected, rejected, bounce. And then we had another bounce. And finally, we broke out the resistance of this triangle. Then we had a very powerful pump. We broke out this long-term resistance on. We also broke out the next resistance of $3.36 and got rejected by the next long-term resistance of $8.12. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $8.12 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a support here as well. And now again, it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance. And now we are testing this key support zone that starts from $5 and goes to $4.60. That has been previously breaking as a resistance on here, support, and resistance here, support here. And for several months, it has been breaking as a support zone here as well. And therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support zone because if it will be broken down, then the pricing can drop at this next long-term support here. That will be approximately at $3.20. By the way, before that, the pricing can also retest the previous resistance of the triangle as support somewhere here, approximately at $3.50 as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this recent down channel, that target can be here at the top of the channel at $11.40. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance. This $11.40 has been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.